Hey everyone, for this video I will be unboxing the Gammaxx GTE V2 CPU air cooler, particularly the white version from Deepcool, which I'll be using with the rack anyag case that I also have an unboxing video of here in my channel. I'll be going for a black and white theme for that build, which is why I chose this color or version of the Gammaxx GTE V2 cooler. The GTE V2 also comes in black and RGB versions. The black version does not light up though, while this white one does, as well as the RGB one. The fan blades in particular light up for this white version. The fan frame is also white, as well as the top cover. But do note that the heatsink itself, or the fins, are still just plain unpainted aluminum. Let's take a quick look at the different sides of the box. Here at the back, there's a picture of the cooler itself, with the name and model of course at the top. Here at the right side is the different specs, like the dimensions, CFM of the fan, etc. Here at the bottom, though it is a little difficult to see, we have the illustration and specs of the different related models to the GTE V2. They are separated into two categories. The ones on the left under the blue box is the older models, labeled as silent versions, which are the variants of the Gammaxx 400 and 1 GTS model. The ones under the orange box are the newer models, labeled as the performance versions, which include the GTE V2 and its variants, the 400 V2 and its variants, as well as the GT V2 and the GTA. Here on the other side is a top view of the picture of the GTE V2 White version. So as mentioned, the top cover itself is white. Here on the opposite side are some text. More specifically, descriptions of the cooler in different languages. So, let's proceed with opening the box. Flipping open this flap with the Deepcool logo, we immediately see the cooler itself, with the included fan already mounted. In this space here, we have the pack of mounting tools or material. Let's bring out the cooler to see if there's anything else inside. Here we have the map style manual tool, which comes in handy for these types of coolers, which caters to both Intel and AMD socket types. And checking inside the box, there seems to be nothing else included. Let's now go to the cooler itself. Again, as mentioned, the border or frame of the fan is white. The blades of the fan might look white, but they are actually slightly transparent, and that allows the blades to light up. Again, we can see that the fan is already mounted to the heatsink via the standard metal clips on both sides. Looking at the top, we see the Deepcool logo in the middle. And then looking here at the bottom or the side of the heatsink, we see that there are 4 copper heat pipes. We also have the 4-pin connector for the fan, which already integrates the power for the lighting, so no separate connector for that. An additional note here that I like better compared to the old Gammaxx 400 models is the mounting mechanism. The GTE V2 uses screws as a mounting mechanism, unlike the original Gammaxx 400, which I also have a video of here on my channel, that uses the standard AMD mounts and is a pain in the butt to use. So that is it for this unboxing video of the Deepcool Gammaxx GTE V2 White version. If you like this video, do click on that like button and consider subscribing to my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching and see you guys again in my next video.